Monopods. I have a mixed relationship with them. They definitely can be somewhat useful if you're out photographing or shooting video of wildlife and you have these really big heavy lenses. They can be useful for stabilizing them so your arms don't get so tired, but I've never really worked them into my shooting process because while they're kind of nice and smaller than a tripod, they're pretty limited in how useful they actually are. I mean, just one of the biggest dangers with them is if you ever need to let go of it, it can definitely damage some gear. But thankfully, Sirui has totally fixed this. The p-36 adapter allows you to connect your p-306 or p-326 monopods to the monopod base. The adapter is available at store.sirui.com for $49, or you can get a kit with both the base and the adapter available for $169. Let me show you guys how easy it is to set all of this stuff up. First, you want to attach your adapter to the base of your monopod. You're going to want to extend the very bottom leg of your monopod by just a couple of inches. And then this adapter comes in two pieces. You can unscrew this locking nut from the clamping part and then slide the locking nut with the locking symbols towards the foot of your monopod, just right over there. And then you can open up the clamp, set it on. One hand can hold this shut, the other hand can slide this locking nut into position. Just got to make sure your threads are straight. And there we go. Then on your monopod base, it will come with this mounting plate, which is actually pretty cool. It has this quick release button that allows you to switch from a 3/8 stud here around to a 1/4 20. So you can really attach anything to this mounting base. But we want to attach our p-36 adapter. So we're going to slide down this blue sleeve, which releases the base. We're gonna put that in our pocket. And now this is the coolest part. This is probably what got me hooked, is that attaching these two together is as easy as, and there you go. Now we have a system here with the convenience of a monopod, but the stability of a tripod. Another really cool thing about this base is that these legs are really adjustable, so you can have them one more horizontal, some more vertical, so you can get stability on kind of different rough terrains. But if you want to go just back to a normal monopod, you don't have to take this all apart. You can just push these blue buttons and point these legs straight up. So now we have a standard traditional monopod. Another really cool thing about the base is that it comes in with a built-in ball head. So if you loosen this knob right here, you can swivel your entire setup in any direction you need. So if you are on some uneven ground, you can still get stability no matter where you are. As I said at the beginning of this video, I've never been a huge fan of monopods. I thought that the stability they provided wasn't really worth bringing them with, and then they might fall over and they just weren't as secure as I wanted. But now that I can attach this really secure, really solid base to my monopod, still have that mobility and stability, I think I'm gonna add this to my kit, and especially on adventures like we have coming up, where we're going to go up to Alaska to video the brown bears during the salmon run. I was really debating what I wanted to bring with, if I wanted a proper tripod or if a monopod would be good enough. But now I can have the best of both worlds. I can have the stability of a tripod with the mobility of a monopod, and I really don't have to sacrifice one or the other. And I'm also going to be bringing along my VA5 fluid video head from Sirui. So I'm gonna have really stable, really fluid footage. And I'm getting super excited to head up there. So thank you so much to Sirui for inventing this really cool adapter and letting me use it some and bring it along up to Alaska. If anyone is interested in purchasing any of this gear, there's links down below, and I will have specific product links for everything you see here, as well as general Sirui tripod links for the entire store. And you can use the code ALEX at checkout for a small discount. We'll see you on the next video.